Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I love the classic look of French manicure, but it's not the easiest look for me to achieve on my own nails. For me, this Nails.INC French Mani Hack Duo has been a game changer, and the key is the nail stamper. It's so ingenious and really easy to use. I simply brush the white polish on the top, and because it's such a squishy material, I can easily push the tip of my nail to get a great looking white tip. I'm able to control how much of the white polish gets on my nail. So I can have a thinner line or a thicker line. And it's so easy to clean the stamper after. I can just wipe it, or even when the polish is dry, peel it off of the stamper. It also comes with this beautiful, shiny pink color, which I love even without the white tips. I just love the results I've gotten from this French Mani Hack Duo set. It gives me the beautiful classic look of a French manicure at home. I've never had such successful results. And that's my point of view.